Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. The vehicle itself is presented in Estrel Blue and comes with a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. It's also a facelift model, as you can see there by the wonderful facelift front headlights. Down the side you can also see we've added a set of the brand new 20-inch CS style alloy wheels that are finished in frozen black. They do also incorporate 4 brand new tyres. Also down the side of the car, it does come with the BMW gloss black air breathers, our gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, and as you can see it is a very nice, clean and tidy example of a very practical yet very fun and responsive vehicle. Inside on this car we have got the full black Dakota leather, but also does incorporate the wonderful M highlight option as well, one of my personal favourites. Front seats are heated and do incorporate the electric lumbar option as well. It has got that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Rear passengers, you'll find there they do have a 3-seat isofix rear bench with that central folding armrest, and again all of which is in really nice condition. Darkened M Sport headlining of course. And making our way to the back of the car, showing off once again the wonderful 20-inch wheels that really do suit the Estrel Blue colour very well. Round at the back there you'll see we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the satin rear diffuser, and we also do get the facelift rear lights. The boot capacity for the Gran Coupe is absolutely massive, as you'll see there. The seats can also be folded down, and the top and bottom partial shelves also can be removed for that little bit of extra room should you have a taller item to place in there. Onto the driver's side now, where once again everything's lovely and clean, and of course the Estrel Blue is one of the most sought after colours, and hopefully throughout this video you have been able to see why. We'll shortly go on, take a seat inside, and we'll just quickly run through a few of this vehicle's interior features. Beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. As soon as it's open, we'll begin with the Bluetooth communications. As you can see there, that also incorporates Bluetooth audio. Back over now to the navigation menu, which is one of my personal favourite features of any BMW, as it's so easy to use. It's really quick. This one does also have the real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Back at the main menu, you'll see a slight little change if you're used to a older version of that. Everything's now separated into nice little easy navigational menus, so it's a little bit nicer on the eye. In terms of multimedia, there's a wide array there. There's DAB, music collection, AUX, USB, and of course I've already mentioned about the Bluetooth audio. Back now to the home screen again, we'll check out the service information in just 1 second. Down here, dual climate controls along with the switches for our front heated seats. The car itself's covered just over 49,000 miles, and it's also backed up with full BMW service history, something we'll go through and now show you. Next service, 13,000 miles till that is due, and up at service history, as you can see there, backed with full BMW history. So thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this walk around. I of course do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you'd like some more information on the car, including all of the prices and some funding options that are available, if you follow the links that are in the description, that'll take you through to the website. From there you can view all of those, including having a play around with our finance calculator, so you can set your own HP and PCP deals upon there. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care. Shall hopefully see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.